In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Microsoft Planner. This is a valuable skill for effectively managing your projects and keeping track of task relationships. Microsoft Planner helps teams collaborate by organizing tasks across different projects, and linking tasks can clearly show dependencies and organize your workflow more efficiently. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and navigate to Microsoft Planner. You can simply type Microsoft Planner into your search bar and click on the relevant link to get started. This will bring you to the Microsoft Planner homepage. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a Sign In button there. Click on that to either log in or confirm your access. If you're already logged into a Microsoft 365 account, you might be automatically signed in without needing further credentials. However, if that's not the case, just enter your email address followed by your password to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your Planner dashboard showcasing all your existing plans. Now, locate the specific plan that contains the tasks you wish to link. This might take a moment, especially if you have several active projects, but once you spot the right one, select it to bring up its contents. Following that, choose a task from your plan. This will open up its detailed pane, where all the essential information and options relating to your task are displayed. Inside the Task Details pane, focus on the three small dots symbolizing the More Options menu. Click on this, and you'll see an option that says Copy Link to Task. Selecting this option copies the specific link to that task, and you are now ready to paste it into another task's details. For the next step, head over to the task where you'd like to embed this copied link. Opening its detail pane should feel familiar at this point. Inside these details, navigate to the Notes section. Click inside the Notes area and paste the link you copied earlier. Congratulations, you've successfully linked both tasks. The link you've placed in the Notes section will be clickable, transforming it into a convenient portal between tasks that shares relevant information efficiently. This functionality is instrumental in highlighting task dependencies and creating a clear flow of work, ensuring everyone involved has the right context to understand their responsibilities. And there you have it. By utilizing this feature, you can enhance your project management capabilities and ultimately boost team productivity within Microsoft Planner. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your task management process. Until next time, take care and happy planning.